Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making peach cobbler stuffed pancakes and I'm using my Breville pie maker. If you don't have a pie maker, no problem. Just use a muffin tin and your oven. This idea popped in my head one morning when I was super excited to use my new pie maker and I had some leftover peach cobbler filling that I needed to use up. So this recipe is super easy. You can use a box pancake mix, but I like to make my pancake batter from scratch. And I add a little bit of cinnamon because I thought that it would go well with the peach cobbler. So I started by whisking the dry ingredients together. Oh, I'll put a link to the a list of the ingredients in the description box. Anyways, I whisked the dry ingredients together, then I added my wet ingredients, and then I added melted butter, and then that was it. My pancake batter was done. So it was time to revamp my peach cobbler filling. This was left over from Thanksgiving. It had been in the freezer. So I let it thaw, and then I reheated it on the stove, and I added some fresh nutmeg and some cinnamon just to, bring the flavor back to life. So I added about a 1/4 cup of pancake batter to the pie maker, and then I put some of the peach cobbler filling in the middle, and then I topped it, the cobbler filling, with just a little bit more pancake batter. So I closed it up and I let the pie maker do its thing, and these baked in about 7 to 10 minutes and they came out golden brown and delicious. Now, if you're doing this in the oven, I would recommend you preheat your oven till about 325, 350, and then bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So I dusted them with some powdered sugar, and then I topped them with a little maple syrup, and these were so delicious, and they actually reheated very well the next day in the air fryer. I loved them, the kids loved them, they were awesome. Oh, I made these a long time ago, so this is way before I was working on my summer body, y'all. Anyways, I do hope you guys give this a try and think of the possibilities. You can fill it with strawberries, with blueberries, blackberries, cherries. The possibilities are endless. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.